Hi, I'm Sam Smyth from Smyth Car Service. Our family's been in business since 1934. We were established in Ireland, so we're on our 91st year. We came to the United States in 1950. Anyway, what we have here is a Triumph. We used to sell these new between the late 50s and early 60s. We have a 75 TR6, which is rare with factory overdrive. What we've done is, once the engine was all built, and I'll explain that in a moment, we've gone ahead and we were getting vacuum problems, so we put a new brake booster on, and we had master cylinder issues. The master cylinder actually ate out the brake booster. And then we had the alternator was putting out voltage, but it wasn't putting out enough sufficient amps to run the car, and that's what you need to look for with alternators. Then we had to upgrade the cooling system to make sure we wouldn't damage the new racing rebuilt motor. And then what we did was we went back with all the original hoses. We didn't get Jubilee clamps, those are ordered. So we went back with the green hoses for the heater, the cooling system. And then on the intake manifold, we planed this manifold and then made sure on both sides it was planed, gonna go up flush. And then the exhaust header, we planed it, both sides, going up to the engine and the stainless steel exhaust system coming up to the bottom of it. And then put this all back together, and then we're able to reuse the 175 CDs even with the hot cam that's in it and stabilize and get it to run smooth. So that's what we've done with this particular motor, was all these accessories around it, and then of course even to a small washer bottle, which we're still working on as far as the washers for the windows. So nothing's been missed on it, mission control wise or coolant or oil. Other than that, that's it. Give us a call if you have any questions or need an engine professionally rebuilt into performance. I'm Sam Smyth. Thank you.